Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Magnum Wallet. Magnum Wallet, found at https://magnumwallet.co, offers a compelling solution for managing your Bitcoin. This isn't your average, run-of-the-mill crypto wallet. It's designed with a strong emphasis on security and user privacy, focusing on the self-custody of your digital assets. This means you, and only you, hold the keys to your Bitcoin, giving you complete control and mitigating the risks associated with centralized exchanges. The wallet leverages advanced cryptographic techniques to safeguard your funds, ensuring your holdings remain protected. A standout feature of Magnum Wallet is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallets, you'll likely find navigating the platform straightforward and easy to grasp. The developers have clearly prioritized a seamless user experience, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users alike. This ease of use is a significant advantage, especially for those who may be intimidated by the technical complexities often associated with crypto management. Beyond its core functionality, Magnum Wallet boasts several additional features that further enhance its appeal. While the specific features may evolve, the focus remains on providing a secure, private, and user-friendly platform. They are committed to offering a robust and reliable wallet solution tailored to the needs of Bitcoin users. For those looking for a dependable way to manage their Bitcoin holdings with an emphasis on security and privacy, Magnum Wallet is certainly worth considering. It represents a thoughtful approach to self-custody in the often volatile landscape of cryptocurrency. Remember to explore the official website for the most up-to-date information and features offered by Magnum Wallet.